Severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 5:45 p.m. CDT for southwestern Lancaster, northeastern Jefferson, eastern Saline and northwestern Gage counties. At 5:19 p.m. CDT, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 6 miles south of Dorchester to 5 miles west of Plymouth, moving northeast. At 40 mph hazard, 60 mph wind gusts, source, radar indicated, impact, expect damage to roofs, siding and trees. Locations impacted include Crete, Wilbur, DeWitt, Plymouth, Western, Clatonia, Hallam, Sprague, Swanton, Pioneers Park, the Highway 41 and 15 South Junction, Yankee Hill Lake, Swan Creek Wildlife Management Area, Walnut Creek Recreation Area, Olive Creek State Recreation Area, and Bluestem State Recreation Area. Precautionary preparedness actions. A tornado watch remains in effect until 1000 p.m. CDT for southeastern Nebraska. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.